I'm live. I'm gonna go sit.
I got this.
All right. You got
Okay.
that. Okay.
I did this. Hi, Dave.
I forgot your phone. Thank you. Oh boy, okay. Hey, Robert Bailey's here too. Alright. Thanks for coming, guys. Chat's gonna get involved. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Yeah. You right there?
I just waved at Robert.
Oh, you're waving at people. Okay, alright, well. Cat's gonna get involved. There goes Cat. Oh, my cat. Anyway, hi, I'm Billy Joe. Thanks for coming. Welcome to the second live stream for the Stop the Spinning Overwhelm Christmas edition. Tonight's gift is balance through the life wheel. That's Christmas-ified. Before we start that, I want to revisit last night's edition a little bit. We talked about traditions and the overall, what I hope you take away from that last video is that traditions should honor you and your values, and if they don't, take another look at them. There are no rules. Nobody is there to say how you should do Christmas. What do you really want for Christmas? What feeling do you want to have? And what feelings do you want to inspire in others? If you want to carry on those traditions, do so. If there are traditions that you are carrying on with just because you're supposed to, be honest. If you don't honor your values with your traditions, be honest and take a look at it. The life wheel, the life balance wheel. What is it? It is a tool that was created originally by a fellow named Zig Ziglar. Reminds me a little bit of a word search. Do you remember when you were a kid in school and Christmas was coming? They'd have that Christmas party and invariably they would give you the Christmas word search. It was busy work. This isn't busy work. But it was about finding all the words in Christmas that mattered, that were important, that were in the puzzle. Okay? Life wheel is a tool. It's represented